Hey guys, it's me and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial / watch me do mistakes to my makeup. So before we start our makeup, we need to wash our face, and after I washed my face I applied a toner and a what's it called a moisturizer to my face. Now if you're the type of female that has like chin hair, like how I have chin hair, that needs to be gone. It needs to go, sis. Let it go, okay? Because when you put your makeup on, it's gonna show through your makeup. So let's get rid of it. Right, so now we're gonna apply a primer to our face before we put any form of makeup on. This creates a barrier between the makeup and your face to allow for you to get the best out of your makeup, as well as ensuring the safety of your skin. Make sure while you're applying your primer, you rub it in and you apply it evenly all over your face. Similar to what I'm over exaggerating here. This part is only for people with super oily skin, like I have oily skin. This is a setting powder. And basically we're going to apply this into our T-zone, which is starting from the forehead on your nose, like in that area, in that middle area of your face. That tends to be the oiliest part of your face, but you'll put it to like any oily places you would normally have like a crazy thing going on your face. Alright guys, it is eyebrow time, and you're probably thinking like, sis, eyebrows before foundation? Yes sis, this is me. Me is this. Now, here's where you're really gonna laugh. I have 3 different concealers that I use on my face. I know one of them I stopped using, but I can't remember which one it was because I don't normally do makeup. I don't do makeup every day, so I tend to forget. So you'll see here, I'm looking for a wand to brush up my eyebrow hairs. I'm not finding it. Why? Because my sister happened to borrow it and it just never returned. So I'm going to use a brush to brush up the hairs. You want the hairs in the same direction to ensure that they're uniform, because when you outline your eyebrows, you don't want the hairs in every direction. It doesn't look nice. Time to fill in those eyebrows now, sis. Now, when you're filling in your eyebrows, follow the shape of your eyebrows. I hate seeing eyebrows, like females do eyebrows, and their eyebrows are obviously real skinny, but they go like real thick, and you can really see it. Man, although I said no to blocky, it's kind of looking blocky, but we'll fix it. Don't worry. We'll fix it. Now I'm going to use that same brush from earlier to like fade in my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go into concealing my eyebrows. However, this was mistake number 1. I used the wrong concealer. The thing is, I could still use the concealer, but the mistake I did was I put the concealer on both eyebrows before blending it. And this concealer actually dries really, really quickly. So as you finish concealing one eyebrow, you should blend it in and then proceed to do the other eyebrow, because by the time you do both, they both finna be dried out and hard, very, very hard to blend. Okay, so the reason why we're concealing our eyebrows is to give it that more, that sharp, neat look, and to like not over exaggerate, but like to make the shape of it more stand out. And I'm concealing my eyelids as well to make sure that everything is one shade. Right, so now it's time to blend out the concealer around my eyebrows, and I need to wet my sponge. Some people do it dry. I prefer to do it wet. It makes it easier for me to blend, basically. Now, I'm using a brush for precision. I normally don't use a brush, but because I can see that I've messed up already on my eyebrows, I'm using a brush so that I can rub it in as much as possible first without messing up my eyebrows. So now I'm going in with my beauty blender to do a more generalized blending, to blend it out some more. And you can see here where I am more like patting my face with the beauty blender, but it looks that way, but I'm alternating between patting and swiping the beauty blender. And it looks like gentle patting, but it's not too gentle. I'm not telling you to beat up your face now, but you have to make sure you apply pressure to make sure that you blend it properly. Right guys, so it's foundation time, and I am trying a new foundation. I would normally use the MAC or the Fenty Beauty foundation. Before you apply the foundation, you need to shake it, mix up everything together. I'm starting off with just a little foundation so that I can build it basically. As you can see, my face, there's a lot going on my face, so I start off with a little bit to see, you know, what the coverage is like, and if I feel like I need a little bit more, then I apply a little bit more to different areas. But you're going to want to make sure that you apply it evenly all over your face. You don't want some areas to look more covered or more thick than other areas. You don't want certain areas to look like one shade, that's the foundation, and then a different shade, which is your true real shade. Okay, so I'm using the residue foundation on the sponge that I have here to go over a bit on the concealer on my eyebrows, just to make it blend some more, because you can obviously see how atrocious it is. Don't be afraid now to blend down to your neck now. You want to make sure you're the same shade all around. Come on now. Right, so now we're at the stage where we need to conceal the different areas of our face. We are doing this concealing process, you know, to make the highlights of our face pop. You want it to stand out. You want it to, you know, give you that want to be on top. Get me? No, I don't get me. Okay, once we've done concealing, it's time to bake now. You're going to add quite a bit of it onto your concealed areas. You're going to gently push it into your skin, just a slight pressure. And you're not going to blend it in at this stage. You're going to have to leave it to set for 10 to 15 minutes so it can work its way into the concealer basically. Alright, time to start baking for 10 minutes. In the meantime, while we're baking, you can choose to do something else. You can walk around, do whatever you gotta do. For me, I'm going to try my hand at contouring. Keyword try. So I'm gonna start off with the darkest shade. So from the first swipe, it was already dark enough, but when I was doing my makeup, I didn't notice it. So I added more product and more product onto my face, and it then became horrible. But whenever you're contouring, the only thing I know about contouring, I should say, you should be doing like a number 3 on each side of your face. So that is from the top of your forehead to the bottom of your chin. You'll see it. Right, so now it's time to dust off the setting powder. So as you dust it off, you're going to blend it in as well. So you're just dusting off like the excess loose powder that's been sitting there, and then what's remaining you're gonna blend it in as much as possible. Well, not as much as possible, since you have to blend that in. So get to it. Alright, I ain't got no more space on my phone, so this is the final look. Excuse my messy dust in the background. This is the final look. If I had some lashes. Wait, no, this is not the final look. This is the final look, guys. This is what you call catfishing on a budget. Everything is drugstore. Wow. This is the final look. What I don't like about my look, where certain things went wrong, obviously the eyebrows. Let's see how the contour is. You know, the contour, it's not that bad. Contour is not that bad. I think it's not that bad. See this up? Contour is not that bad, actually. It's probably the best I've ever done it. Just because I said it's the best I've ever done it does not mean it is the best. It is a good attempt. The eyeliner, I hate it. I absolutely hate the eyeliner. Look at it. I think maybe I'll try a different brand of it. I don't. Something ain't right. What else don't I like? I know some people don't like dark lipsticks and stuff, but I like them. I really like dark lipsticks. I prefer lipsticks over lip glosses. The highlight is pretty nice. See? I turn this way, boom, shine. I turn this way, boom, shine. My nose, boom, shine. Everything else, I like it. And the fact that my wig is too forward, that's too much on my forehead. That's a little better. Oh yeah, the foundation. I am very shocked at the foundation. Why do I keep bringing it down to me? I'm very shocked at the foundation because I only spent like £7 on it. Like, I've heard good things about it, but you know, it looks nice. Under my eyes, I mean, it has a few lines, but it's not horrible. It could have been worse. Could be creasing and stuff. Could have been worse. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I'm happy with it. Are you happy with it? If you decide to try and follow my this video, let me know. Like, let me know you tried it, you know, some of the difficulties you found with it, or, you know, things that worked for me that didn't work for you, or things that worked for you and didn't work for me, because obviously there's a lot that didn't work for me. I wanted to put lashes on, but the lashes were not behaving the way they were supposed to. Look at my eyebrows. Oh my goodness, look at my eyebrows. I am embarrassed. But yeah, let me get my thumbnail real quick. Ding, 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 ding. Trying to hold it and take a picture at the same time is hard. Anyway, this is it for this video, guys. I will see you next video. Have a good day. And stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the videos. You know, all of that, all of the love. And yeah, it proves to show that, you know, you can accomplish things on a budget. And this is just a simple makeup look as well. I didn't do like the whole eyeshadow craziness that I won't say. I'm not gonna say craziness because I want to learn it too, but not the whole eyeshadow thing that girls do. Obviously, the contour is not that dramatic. Barely got it right. What else do they do? You know, other things that they do. I have not done it. So this is it for this video. I'm happy with it. Baby edges, y'all probably thinking like, sis, where's the baby hairs? Like, where's the shoots? I can't do it. I've tried and I've crashed and I've burned. It doesn't work for me. But yeah. Bye guys. I just came back to show off the red lipstick because you know what? I was feeling the red lipstick battle. I was feeling the red lipstick battle. This is the red lipstick. I love it. Right here, throw it up, no hate shit.